Hi, grade eights. I'm just going to answer this question because it's like the last three questions on the assignment. Think of this as a bonus example. If we have 2 and 2/5 times 3/4, how do we do this visually? Well, first, we're going to start by drawing something that represents 2 and 2/5. So I'm going to go ahead and make something that has fifths in it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need to have 3 of them. So there's 1, 2. And now I'm going to make one more. Here it is. Now I've got 3. So it's 2 and 2/5. So that means I'm going to go ahead and shade this like so. 2 holes are shaded. So I'm going to shade it. It's helpful if you shade in different colors. I understand not all of you have multiple colors, but it really helps distinguish the shading. So there's 2 and 2/5. Okay? And I'm actually going to zoom in on that. I'm going to zoom in on that because we are multiplying by 3/4. So I'm just going to write 3/4 here just so we remember it. So we're multiplying by 3/4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to divide this up into 4 pieces. So I'm going to divide it up into 4 pieces. So there's 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. Do the same thing here. And do the same thing down here. And it is 3/4. And I want to shade it in a different color. So I'm going to shade it in green. So that means that I'm going to shade 3 of these horizontal lines in green on each of these. So I'm going to go ahead, go ba 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 ba. 3 of these horizontal lines because that's going to represent 3/4. And ba 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 ba. All right. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing here, and I am gonna tighten up my initial shading in blue because I should have made it clear that there's also shading down in these. Okay. Now what I want us to do, now that we've got that done, is we want to count how many little squares is there in one of these shapes. How many little squares or little boxes? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that means that our denominator is 20. And how many of them have both types of shading? We have a row of 5 here, a row of 5 here, a row of 5 here, but not the bottom ones. So we have 15 here in this first hole that have both types of shading. And if we look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5, so that's 10, another 5, so that's another 15. And finally, we'll check out this last one. It's not going to be 15 here because we have 1, 2, but not this one, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's a total of 36. Oopsies. There's a total of 6 here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add all these together. So 15 plus 15 makes 30. Plus 6 is 36. So this is 36 over 20. And we're going to write this as 20 goes into 36 once. 36 minus 20 is 16. So it's 1 and 16/20. And then we're going to divide 16 and 20 both by 4. So our final answer is 1 and 4/5. So that's how we do a question. where we are multiplying two fractions together and one of them is a mixed number.